I'll show you how to use the Savvy Navvy app. Step 1. Start by opening the Savvy Navvy app on your phone or tablet. If you haven't yet logged in or signed up, either with email or your Google account. Once you're in, choose your region or let the app detect your current GPS location. Step 2. Tap the Plan tab at the bottom. Set your start and end points, either by tapping on the chart or entering locations manually. The app calculates the best route, showing waypoints with distance, ETA, and recommended dip. You can customize drag waypoints, avoid shallow areas, or add intermediate stops. Once you're happy, tap Save and name your route for the future. Step 3. Tap Go on your saved route to start the trip. You'll see a live map, heading indicator, and real-time data like speed, ETA, and distance remaining. If you drift off course, simple course correction prompt will guide you back on track. The app stays offline friendly. Charge our CAC so you don't need cell service. Step 4. Want extra tools? Check out the layers menu for tide, wind, AIS, and sonar overlays. Use the safety feature to mark exclusion zones, set anchor watch alarms, or share your position with crew. And that's it.